Well, welcome back to the MV Agusta Squalo story. So just to show you what we're up to today, we've managed to get the magneto fitted and installed. I've had some issues with the carb. I had to make another choke plunger. The brass one that came, well, it wasn't one with this carb, so I've had to make a plunger now. That's just a temporary device for the moment that's going to sit in there and just keep that closed. I'll see if I can show you it working. But hopefully you can see that. Yeah, so the idea there is it'll act until I can manage to get a more permanent solution. I've got the bike sat on a set of starter rollers, and obviously I've got it tied down at the front there, and I've got temporary fuel supply fitted, and we're just going to see if we can get it to start. I've marked on here where top dead center runs, and I've got a strobe to make sure that it'll show me whereabouts it's sparking, and we'll see how it goes.